In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and remove duplicate transactions in QuickBooks Online. Duplicates can sneak into your books when bank feeds refresh or when something gets entered manually more than once. If you don't clear them out, your balances, reports, and tax information can all be thrown off. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to look and how to safely remove those extra transactions. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and look at the main left-hand menu. You'll want to navigate to the Transactions section, and from there, select Bank Transactions. This is where QuickBooks pulls in all the activity from your connected bank and credit card accounts. Next, choose the tile for the specific bank or credit card account where you've noticed duplicates. Each connected account will have its own tile, so make sure you're opening the one that actually contains the problem transactions. Once you're inside that account, go to the For Review tab. This is the staging area where transactions wait for you to categorize, match, or exclude them before they hit your books. It's also the best place to spot duplicates, because you can compare what's waiting for review with what's already in your categorized or accounting records. Now, carefully scan the list for any duplicate amounts and dates that you know are already recorded. When you find a duplicate, tick the checkbox to the left of each transaction you want to remove. You can select one or several at once. As soon as you start checking those boxes, a black bar will appear at the top of the list with additional options. On that black bar, click Batch Actions and then choose Exclude Selected. Excluding tells QuickBooks that these bank feed items should not be added into your books. They'll be moved out of the For Review tab so they don't accidentally get added later. Those excluded transactions aren't gone yet, though. To permanently remove them from QuickBooks Online, switch over to the Excluded tab. This tab holds everything you've chosen not to bring into your books. Here, select the transactions again. You can use the checkbox at the very top of the list to select all of them at once if you're sure everything there should be removed. Then go back to Batch Actions, and this time, choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm, and once you do, those duplicate transactions are permanently deleted and can no longer be added to your books. And that's it. By following these steps, you keep your bank feed clean and your QuickBooks Online data accurate.